Was that a good dinner? You had your delicate salmon entree pate. It's so fancy. Was it good? Yeah, you're still licking your chops, huh? Yeah. Oh, it's cleaning time. Yeah. Clean them murder mittens, buddy. Yeah. Hey, juice. Whoa, was that good? Are you a happy cat? Yeah, I know you are. You're a beautiful boy. You're a beautiful boy. Well, no, you don't get a treat. You just ate your dinner. It's not, treat time's not till later. No. Well, you can't. You just had your delicate salmon entree. Look at you, licking your delicately salmony lips.